Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have some more spoilers for the July BoxyCharm add-ons. And if you have not got that marked down in your calendar yet, early access is July 13th. Then all access will be open July 14th. So guys, if you're excited about this video, go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Andy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing some more BoxyCharm spoilers, or showing a spoiler. Well, thank you so much, Tony Baby. Tony Baby says, hey girl, first. I see you, honey. You are very quick on that bell, honey. Thank you so much for having your notifications set. And also coming and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much, Tony. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of two chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, now here in just a second I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. And if you have not yet hit the subscribe button, if you do that during this timer, it's going to turn a little red heart to blue for about a half a second. So don't blink. And it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of the year. So let's go ahead and get that done. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, these are BoxyCharm July add-on spoilers, and you know they're going to have many more in this, but so far these are the only ones I could find. And again, early access is July 13th, and then all access is July 14th, so make sure you mark that down in your calendar. So the first thing is the Becca Cosmetics Soft Light Blurring Powder, and this is in the shade Pink Haze. Next up is the Elements Superfood. Is it Sika Calm Cleansing Foam? I don't know if that's how you say it or not, but yeah, that's how I just said it. Anyways, the next thing is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder Eyeshadow Palette. And then we have the Jouer Cosmetics Sheer Pigment Lip Gloss. Now this one, it's in the shade Via Condati. Is that? I probably just butchered the hell out of that. Then the next thing is the Zoeva Cosmetics Strobe Gel. Now there's going to be 4 different shades. And then next up is this, is it Kenaya? Y'all, I say this wrong all the time. And I didn't even know it had a last name on it, but I definitely can't say that last name. So it's the Kenaya, the O Word Beauty Blush and Shine Kit. And then next is the Living Proof Instant Repair Spray. Then we have the Tarte Tarteist Pro Remix Eyeshadow Palette. Then the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask. Then the $1 Billion Brow. This is the Duo Contour Brush. And then the Grace and Stella Face Mask. And then last but Lashaholic False Lashes. Well guys, we just got lucky. Or right as I started editing this video, there was 4 more July add-ons that just were revealed. So let's go ahead and name those off. So the first one is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel Face Palette. Now that is $24. And then we have the Kors Black Pine Sculpting and Lifting Day Cream, valued at $18. Then we also have the Tony Moly Moisture Boost Cooling Algae Eye Serum. This is only $6, y'all. And then last but certainly not least is the Stila Cosmetics Liquid Glitter and Glow Eyeshadow in the shade Rose Gold Retro. And they have that for $12. So let me know what you guys think about these items down in the comment section. And also let me know, are you getting any add-ons for July? And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Melly Pink. I hope I said that right. Anyways, Melly says, wow, I'm first. That looks like something I would love to use. Well, Melly, honey, there was a comment ahead of you, honey. I'm so sorry. And you know what? Again, it shows me different comments than what it shows y'all for first comments. But Melly, honey, you are quick on that bell as well, because I seen your comment come right behind the first one. And I really appreciate you having your bell set. And honey, thank you so much for coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you still subscribe to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any? Yep, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so, so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.